Yeah, I wake up clear skies, it's time to take that flight. Checklist on my mind, gotta do it alright. Patience in the pocket, keep the future in sight. Discipline's the engine, let it carry me tonight. Half size when it's choppy, keep the risk in control. Plan trade ideas, let the vision unfold. No trades is a trade, that's the truth that I hold. Make every move count, yeah, that's how you grow. Flip back through the pages yesterday in the log. HTF analysis cutting through fog. Red folders on the calendar, I'm letting them pass. 5 minutes from the open, now I'm sitting on my hands. Yeah, I wake up clear sky, it's time to take that flight. Checklist on my mind, gotta do it alright. Patience in the pocket, keep the future in sight. Discipline's the engine, let it carry me tonight. Hey, ABC setups keep the risk on track. I'm Hiller Max, man, never giving it back. Don't let a runner get in front of the plan. Take the base hit, stack it up, that's the jam. Every trade gets a story journal line by line. Copy trader set, yeah, the system aligned. And before I hit the button, gotta stop, gotta wait. Look for reasons not to trade, that's how you elevate. It's patience, it's progress, it's lessons I learn. Every page in the journal makes the tables turn. From the pre-flight checks to the moment I play, I'm just grateful for the grind every single day. Yeah, I wake up clear sky, it's time to take that flight. Checklist on my mind, gotta do it alright. Patience in the pocket, keep the future in sight. Discipline's the engine, let it carry me tonight. Yeah.
Check. What's up, guys? Good morning. Okay, I'm not used to my audio settings here on my stream. I'm used to prop for match stream. Good morning. Let's get this all figured out. Let's see. How's the audio? How's the visual? Yeah, I think it sounds good. Music's a little loud, maybe. Okay, I think that's something like this. All right, let's run it, guys. So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the show. Welcome. It is a holiday stream. Normally I'd be streaming on prop for match, and I actually have stopped doing my stream the past few weeks pretty much, just to focus on those London hours. And I've been finding a lot of success just sticking to the one time frame, and it's hard to argue with that. To trade less, have better results by doing it so I'm kind of sticking to that. And we can look at my stats for the London sesh here. Let's make my video a little smaller, maybe we can even, where's it at? Nope. Yep, we'll go like this for now. So yeah, here are my London stats. Oh, I need to update this last day, so let's go ahead and do that. I am watching for some trades here, so we might get an initial balance breakout, we might get a gold trade. I'm gonna watch them, but first things first, let's put some stats on here. And curious to hear from you guys. How's everyone doing? Good morning. What's up? We got Niche Dictionary, Investor Z, Miss K. Man, for a second I thought I saw Miss K was gonna come on stream with me today, but maybe that's not true. I don't know. Am I making that up? Okay, let's drop these stats in from the other day. Okay, so I'm gonna go through and put in my accounts, my London accounts. We are making a big move right now. How much time do we have? Yeah, we got 7 minutes for this candle close. So these are my 3 London accounts. These are 100K accounts. I am now copy trading some evals though, so I'm gonna try to pass some evals as well. And let's go ahead and make sure I update these. They're just my 100Ks, so that should be easy to find them. Let's see. Just gonna go down the list of my accounts. It's so bizarre how it leaves like old accounts on, you know? Alright, so today's the 3rd of April, guys. So it is a holiday, it is a bank holiday. And I've always liked to do holiday streams because I get a lot of views. And it's just kind of, I don't know, I've actually had fine luck when it comes to the trades. Like, I haven't gotten too chopped up on a holiday stream. I don't remember, or I don't know if any of you guys remember, but at one point I did a 24-hour stream and I crushed it the whole time. So not that I think that's like a good idea to do in general, but it worked out for me. So I'm kind of just not scared to go for things like this, trading the holiday hours and stuff like that. As a professional trader though, we want time off, right? So on the prop firm match stream, it makes sense. We don't want to stream during the holidays. We need to take time off and everything. But for my personal stream, I've always liked it, and it's just been a good way to boost the stream, to be honest. And I do know a lot of people are trading, and people enjoy to watch a stream or just while you hang out. So, all right, here we go. So yeah, look at this $30. That was an accidental button press. I think I used a hotkey there, but we can see yesterday we had a $637 day. So we're doing well. I did have a little oopsie daisy in February when I first started this account. It's just on one of these accounts too. Oh, was it? Yeah. So I sized up a little bit. I was doing 2 minis, and oh yeah, that's 4 minis. Yeah, I was sized up a lot, and I regretted that immediately. I was like, you know what? I don't want to take that much heat on an individual trade in these accounts. I thought I could because they're 100Ks, and so I started with a big losing day that kind of set me back. But we can see we've made it back. 935 bucks in February, 700 in March. So I haven't been like having some breakout month or, you know, anything crazy, but I've been surviving and I still made money. And that's all that matters to me, because I think that if I can keep trading like this, I will have those outsized good months. So I'm feeling good about everything, and just one day at a time. Today, I'm not going to trade these accounts. And you know what? I think I'll just trade my Apex accounts today. So let's get those all locked in here. And Tradeify. Oh yeah, I have some Tradeify evals too. Top 1 futures and Apex. Okay. So I have my accounts open. I am just going to try to trade these Apex accounts though, if I'm going to do fund it. Otherwise, I'll try to cycle through some of my evals. And yeah, it looks like I'm all good to go here with my accounts. So if we get a trade, let's make sure. Oh yeah, I can't trade gold. So I'm going to have some of the evals ready to go if I get a gold trade. And I'll do that in MGC. And I'll be looking at, I guess, Tradeify or Top 1 futures. Let's try the Top 1 futures since I can't trade those. I can't trade those when I'm trading my other Top 1 futures accounts. So I'm just going to go and put all of those on here. Yep. Okay. Lock it in. All right, there we go. So we just tagged initial balance low and popped. Let's go to the chart though. Wow, okay. Gold bounce too. Okay, so check this out. We just tagged this initial balance low, and I know the market's closed today, but look at this. It still looks like a nice range that we made during that first hour of the regular market hours. It could just be because people happen to wake up. I have no clue. Someone turns the algo on. I have no clue. It's a holiday. People will say whatever, and I'm just trading my trades. And not a bad move here. We actually are getting a divergence. So I have a bunch of evals. I have some that are kind of low. I might be a little bit risky today. So this is like a don't copy trade me type of day, which I don't think you should ever copy trade me. I mean, you can see my results. You guys kind of know what I'm doing. I'm like, right now I've been like, you know, just a little bit above break even really. Okay, so if I did get that div here, it kind of already played out with the 5 minute. The 15 minute though is still deciding. I don't know if I want to take it on the 15 minute, to be honest. But this is the type of day where I'm totally cool trading some evals, and maybe, you know what, I'll take a lot of trades but risk down on one of these evals that's low. So it's a kind of a fun holiday stream, and we're kind of practicing execution and stuff like that. So we're not gonna worry too much about our trades and our P&L. I am gonna lock in though, and of course I want to trade well always, but just disclaimer there. So we are getting this 15-minute divergence, and like I said, it's one of these days where I might just take almost every setup I get and just adjust more for the size. So in this situation, let's log into Top 1 Futures. And we're just gonna have some fun. I know people will always have something to say about it, but guess what? My accounts, my rules. My money, I'm gonna use it how I want. Yeah, it doesn't want me to sign in. So I got my hotkey. Yeah, we're good to go. We can figure this out. I'm on OBS, so I can switch between screens and everything pretty easily. So I don't know why it's not letting me sign in. Oh, because I have Tradovate open, obviously. Okay, let's try this out. I'm gonna try to sign in again. I closed Tradovate. Here we go. I think this is gonna work. Boom shakalaka. And we're in. We're in. What's up, Business Lens in the house? We got Medi and Q, Jose Carlos, Business Lens, Miss K, Niche Dictionary. What's up, guys? Good to see you, Business Lens. You still want to come on stream, Miss K? You can come on without a camera. Okay, so I'm gonna trade very aggressively, and I have a couple accounts that are almost blown. So we'll see, maybe I just blow them, but I'm gonna just do like $100 risk for now and try to dig these out. I mean, this account actually might be blown. So I'm gonna trade super aggressive here, but we're gonna go like this. And there we have it. So let me make sure I'm selecting the right account. There we go. So guys, super aggressive trading. This is for entertainment only. Seriously, I don't care what anyone says about that. This is what the deal is, guys. It's a holiday, and let's just say I'm streaming for views right now, you know? But actually, I did want to stream. Let's make those golden Easter eggs. Wait, is today Easter? It's Sunday, right? Sunday's Easter. So we're just gonna have some fun here. I'm gonna trade small size and try to dig this account out, and I'm gonna trade very aggressively for the stream. Yo, I'm watching you from my TV. I don't chat there. Well, thanks for popping in, Johnny, saying hi. If you're bored and you don't have family stuff going on today, you can hop on stream with me as well, Johnny. But I don't know how long I'm gonna stay or anything. I'm actually kind of waiting for a friend to text me, and let's see. I could end up bailing at any moment. Oh man, James Bruce was gonna come on. Yeah, James Bruce just messaged me because he was gonna come on the prop for match stream. He didn't get the news that we were canceled. Morning, Luna. Not sure if I'll trade today, but having a cheeky degen look. Yeah, so that's what I'm going for here, a cheeky degen look. And we're going to degen it up. I'm taking every trade. And I have a couple evals that are almost blown. So I'm taking every trade in them. Actually, this wasn't even one of the ones that was almost blown that I took this first trade in. Okay, so I traded the wrong account already. I have so many accounts that end in like the same numbers pretty much. Like it's pretty ridiculous. So I actually meant to take this on number 94. Let's see. Oh no, another 94. Let's see if that other account is even alive still. Okay, I'm just out of curiosity. Let's see if I'm just gonna enter in. Nope, that other account's blown. Which I don't know why it still shows it. I guess you can pay the rebill or whatever. Okay, this one's cashed. Done for. There we go. And I also have number 62. Well, too late. We'll just let this one ride out. And we're just going to tear it up today. I'm going to scalp like a madman and see how it goes. Where's Brick? I need to hear that angelic voice. Yeah, there's a lot of Brick fans. Yeah, open invite if someone wants to jump on stream with me. And it is a holiday. We're gonna do this together. And yeah, other update is I'm trying to start next week. I'm in the middle of moving also here. So I don't know how it's gonna go with starting next week, but my plan was to start my stream up next week and have some surprises, some change ups, a couple different things, guests, and just take it to the next level. But it's a lot of work to do everything and to get everything prepped. So, you know, however it works out, I'm going to take my time and make sure I have everything in order before that happens. So maybe it won't start on Monday, but so keep your eyes peeled, guys. We're going to be pushing it soon and have some good guests on and all that. What's up, Big Frank in the house? Says everyone, let's have a good Friday. Thank you, thank you. And guys, look at this beautiful trade. We pretty much already got 1R. I only risked $100 on this. I like the TP up here at London IB High. Excuse me. And VWAP maybe. A lot of times I'm a front runner with crypto. I realize I've always done it. Oh, speaking of crypto, I have that crypto trade. Let's see, did Bitcoin pump? Well, I got all my fills. Oh, we went right back down. So I might get stopped out in this Bitcoin trade. So I'm not a crypto day trader. Never have been, but I'm going to try to take some lower time frame trades as well. This one though is a higher time frame a little bit. This is a daily chart. So I just have my stop below this daily. And we got filled all my entries. So I had 2 entries higher. Boom, boom. And then I got 1 entry lower. So it averages out between them all. And yeah, this is a crypto prop firm. So I don't have that much experience with crypto prop firms just in cash accounts. But I'm going to try to just trade it normal and see how it goes. So this is about 1R. I really could just cut it here. See money, take money. See money, take money. I'm going to take 2. I'm going to put these other 2 up here. Okay, so also, what are we looking at here? So let's look at gold real quick. So gold yesterday, I had a really good idea where I was waiting for, we had this consolidation here and I drew a box around it. And I was waiting for a breakout long above or breakout short below. This is how I've been trading gold lately. Not as much in the range. And look at this. So we had a nice onion play down here for the longs as I learned from Nick Stewart, Time to Eat Trading. Onion play. We had a nice long from down there. I missed it though, and I wasn't really looking for the onions. I just haven't been trading in the range. I've been trading the breakouts. I don't know why. It's just what's been working for me well and what I feel comfortable with. And then we got a beautiful breakout long here, and I totally missed it. Totally missed it. Let's actually go to the 15 minute, see what that looked like. Yeah, clean on all time frames. Totally missed it. And what a beautiful trade. It went right to my target of this. It literally went straight to my target, 45 points or more. So beautiful trade here. I missed it. I didn't take it, but what I'm going to do is kind of keep with the same plan. And I'm just going to actually, though, draw this box out up here. I've been liking doing this way. It keeps me focused on what ranges I'm liking. And you guessed it, guys. Breakout above or breakout below. Bada boom, bada bang, ain't no thing. Just like that. Breakout long, and guess what number 2 is? Anyone? Breakout short. Boom. And we're gonna go ahead and draw about these lines. You know what? I like this lower one. Let's do this up here. And you know what? Yellow boxes sometimes are good. So let's go ahead and add one down here. And as you can see, I'm just counting it to these candle bodies. Meanwhile, this is really right with the candle, or is with the candle bodies, but the yellow box is to remind me where these other candle bodies are down here, that I would prefer the breakout below there. And depending on how it looks, I'm going to be a little bit careful here, but I might still take the breakout below. I love this clean range down. It's a little choppy here, but we did have that one candle that kind of cleaned it up. And we're going to count that. Bada boom, bada bang. All right, so there it is. There's my gold plan, and you already know we've got to set some alerts. And we're good. All right, I got alerts and everything. We're good to go. Back to my trade here. And we already locked in some P&L on this one, and maybe, I mean, I might just go for quicker scalps on this today and try to compound. So we already sold 2 on this. Let's see if we can get this push up to the range high. We did clear London IB mid. Big Frank, good morning everyone. Let's have a good Friday. I already read that. We need everyone to hit the like button to support the stream. Yes, we do, Big Frank. Thank you so much for saying that. And also, guys, I actually have been sitting on giveaways that I've just been sitting on them. So I think we should do giveaways today. Right? Let me see how many I have. Guys, let's shout out Top 1 Futures here. Guys, I think I have 4 giveaways from March that I need to do. Let's do 4 giveaways. 4 Top 1 Futures giveaways. I've just been cooking on these things. They're from March, and I hope they don't like count them as April, but because I get 5 a month, and I haven't been streaming on my own channel last month. So shout out Top 1 Futures. I'm wearing a Tradeify shirt. Okay, hold on a second. Here we go. Oh wow, that's really tight. Did my head get bigger or something? What the heck is going on? All right, there we go. I mean, Miss K, I would for like a bunch of likes, but I don't know, that feels a little weird. I normally just do that on my other channel. I would play guitar for likes, so very weird. My audio sounds completely different when I put a hat on, and I have to get used to it now. So let me just crank up the music so I get used to it. I hope I'm not gonna start screaming. Sadly, Miss K, I don't think that would work for most of the chat. I think most of the chat would leave. Unless, yeah, whatever. I'm not going to get into that. But we have a little consolidation here on MES. So see how I have my handy dandy box? I'm going to tighten it up and say, here's my range. Let's look at the 30. Yeah, this is actually a pretty tight range on the 30-minute, on the 15-minute. And it looks, yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. And another thing, let's look at the higher time frame. So let's do some top-down analysis. I'm going to try to keep this stream really casual and fun and chill. So it's like, okay, yeah, we have this lower high. So I'm going to keep my analysis that way too, guys. We're going to keep it low key. And we have lower highs. So I have this downtrend. Meanwhile, I'm long. So I don't want to hold this long. I don't want to overstay my welcome in this long. And I'm going to just try to scalp it up. So make sure to hit that like, guys. And we'll do a giveaway at, how many likes should we do? We have 31 watching, so 30 likes, right? If everyone hits that like button, I'll hit the like as well. And like I said, I'd rather not overstay my welcome in the longs. So I might actually just kind of cut this. So here's the 4-hour previous wick. Let's see if we can tap that. And we can see the 4 hours have been trending down very aggressively. The 1 hour has been trending down. A few little green candles on the way, but nothing crazy. We did kind of start to consolidate a little bit more here on the 1 hour. And that's where I got my RSI divergence to take the long that I'm in right now. Here we go. I'm going to take it and we're out. Boom. All right, 80 bucks. And I was only risking 100, so really low risk trade. And I'm just going to keep chopping up. Now that we have 80 bucks, I'm going to increase my risk from 100 to 180. All right, so I'm going to try to compound it. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, so this way I'm working for my giveaway accounts here from Top 1 Futures. So I can do a little advertising for them, right? Maybe they'll want to keep giving me more giveaway accounts. Man, my audio sounds so weird when I have my hat on. I don't know why. Catastrophe says, sup miss, can't stay but drop by to say hi and leave a thumbs up. Good luck today. Thank you so much. Well, I guess you're talking to Miss K, but thank you. Hitting that thumbs up button. And like I said, guys, we'll run that giveaway at 30 likes. So let's run it up. Hopefully the hat will bring me good luck. I think so. I wonder if hats bring me good luck. We should do some back testing on all my streams and see if I wore a hat, how did I end the P&L? If I didn't wear a hat, how did I end the P&L? And maybe there's some, maybe I can find a secret hat strat. Maybe it just adds confidence, keeps me locked in. All right, so other trade ideas here. You guys already know. A little price action setup. We can see it right here. Breakout from the highs and breakout from the lows. In the meantime, look, we have another RSI divergence right here. So guys, I'm going to keep running it. I'm warning you now. I'm going to trade very aggressively on this eval. And I am looking for a top wick to short this first, but no top wick. Otherwise, I would short this right now. And there we go. Top wick is activated. And I'm going to put on an order. Psych. Wrong account, I guess. What the heck? What account did I just trade? 94? Alright, we're on. Boom. We're going to try to run it. There we go. We got a little top wick at least. And so I'll take the breakout short here. Stop loss above the div. Risking 180 now, so I'm using the profits. Man, if I'm going to risk so little, I mean, I might as well do it in one of my funded accounts, I feel like, too. But we're gonna have fun. And for all these divs that I'm taking, I'm just gonna take them in this eval. What's up, Casalisk, the Ripper? Luna, do you use regular volume profile or fixed range volume profile? I use both. So right here I have the visible range volume profile. It helps me. I've always used the visible range, like literally for like 8 years or something. I've used the visible range, so I'm just used to it. But now I am trying to get a little more precise with it, and I'll look at the fixed range from yesterday and the day before. So this drawing is almost still the same as before. Look, kind of more of a double distribution or triple, depending on how we look at it. If I zoom out here, we can see kind of a triple distribution on my visible range volume profile. It just depends on how we zoom. So that's kind of how I'm reading it, trying to keep it really simple when it comes to that for now, and at least draw it on and make a note. So before we had this double distribution, I left that on here to remind me. And it's playing out perfectly. Like, we reversed where the low volume was, and we consolidated where the high volume was, and we haven't made our room back down. So I'm actually still net bearish here. I'm thinking this is a lower high on the 4-hour chart and that we're going to come back down. Meanwhile, I took a long already once, and we'll see if we get this short, if we break back down. But yeah, so I look at this as visible range because it kind of helps keep me like, okay, where are we right now? And we can see that it's pretty balanced, right? Pretty balanced. Man, I have too many drawings on this now. Let's just delete all these. All right. So it's a pretty balanced area that we're in, and I'm like trading right from the middle of the volume, right? So we kind of have a fair price right now, so it's really not the best place to take trades from. We can also see we have the point of control and the VWAP. I'm gonna degen today, degen holidays, Luna, degen Luna. So we're just having fun on some evals. I'm just gonna chop it up. I'm gonna take every setup that I get. So I do trade fixed range though, and I have the previous day value area high, previous day point of control, previous day value area low. I will look at the current day's fixed range, and I'll also look at the past week. So we have 2 weeks ago actually right here. Since it is Friday, we are going to move this weekly volume profile on over, and we're going to say like this. We're going to go all the way to today. It's Friday, and I'm going to drag this over to last Sunday open right there. Let's just make sure we got it right on the money, right when Friday closed, right there. All right, so we have, I want to put this on the 5-minute chart. It calculates better on TradingView. The best way to calculate this though is on a TPO chart, as many of you know. And we're gonna just kind of draw these on right where I have my value area high, value area low. So this is the weekly value area high, value area low. And how about a point of control? Do we have a point of control anywhere? Yep, it's all the way up here. Bam, 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 bam. Yep, okay. So we got weekly volume profile in action here. We can see this triple distribution that I was talking about. Triple dis. So we're stuck right up in the top part, and then we have maybe a move down to the lower part, and maybe even a move down to the lower part. And I like the shorts. I'm still short biased. However, we're going to take it trade by trade. We rejected around these highs from the Trump candle. Is that Trump candle? Actually, I don't remember. Was that a Trump candle? Kind of. It was the news the night before, and saying that pretty much everyone's like, oh, the war's going to be over for the 10th time. Comte de Surges, what's up, buddy? We got a big 1 hour, 4 hour FEG below that has been tapped, but still largely unmitigated, and a stack of orders on the book down there. CVD is bullish, but I guess I was looking for potential areas to short if I trade. Okay, nice. So I think we're in the same boat. But like I said in the beginning of the stream, if you guys didn't catch it, then what I said is I'm pretty much going to take every setup today in these evals. I'm not even planning on trading my funded accounts. I guess I would, but I'm kind of just planning on having fun. So is this too messy for you, Singed King? Signed King? Singed? I don't know. I don't think it looks that messy. But I guess I'm just also used to it. Is this messy? Maybe this helps. Is that too messy? Let's go back to the 15-minute. And you know what? Since I have my levels on, I'm going to hide. Man, can I not hide this? Visibility on intervals. Oh, here we go. Hide. Boom. So I also might take a breakout long here. It's a little bit choppy though. So right here, this is chop. And I'd rather not long into that. We do have VWAP right here too. So I'm not going to take the long. I would maybe take a long from up here above VWAP. It's a little bit cleaner range there. So let's see. Maybe I'll do a short below here. Just doing a price action strategy. Looking for that breakout level to level short. It's a little choppy when we look left, but there's a little room down. I much prefer for the breakout clean structure down here. Yeah, I much prefer the breakout short here. But like I said, I'm trading aggressively today, so I might still take the breakout below this current range. Anyways, that would be an initial balance breakout too. So here I would look for the initial balance breakout and not take it as a price action setup. I mean, it's still price action, but I think you know what I mean when it comes to my strategy. So number one is going to be IBO, initial balance breakout short. Okay. And number two is going to be number two is going to be just a breakout short. Number three will be this breakout of range 2 because I don't like the longs. So number 3, range 2 breakout. Okay, does that make sense? It's so funny when people say that the charts are messy. I almost just want to not show my stuff. You know, I could just not show you guys what I look at. Would that be better? You know what I mean? Because really, like, I want to put my fib levels on. But I know everyone's going to say my chart looks messy now. So it's either I just don't care what people say, or I do want to please my viewers. You know, I want to please chat. And if it's hard for you to see what's going on here, then I don't blame you. So I don't know. I'm torn. But to me, this chart isn't that bad. Only 3 minutes left of this candle, so I have to just close that off here. This candle also invalidated my initial, my RSI divergence, didn't it? Yeah, this candle did invalidate my divergence. Oh my god. Even though it would be filling right now, it invalidated it. I don't have the div anymore. I'm not going to take the short from up here. Even though I don't mind it. We tagged that. I said I was going to trade aggressively. I might still take it. We don't have the div anymore though. I'll take it as a 15-minute 2-bar reversal once this candle closes. How about that? If it closes like this, I'm going to take the short as a 2-bar reversal. Okay, so you say it's not that bad, Singed King. Oh, so I would have gotten entered, but I just took my order off since this candle's about to close. Keep things the way that I use them. Okay, so you guys want to see what I'm actually looking at? Because we could do a little, we could just look at it like this. All right, speaking of other charts, we need to check in here. Yeah, so since the stock market's closed, we don't really have that much data here for the extended hours. It doesn't even show. Okay, so that's interesting. I thought it would still show. And where the heck is ES? We have crude, MQ. I normally would have ES right here. No ES? What's going on here? Alright. So here'd be the other way I could do it. Just for fun, let's try it out. See, but already I'm like, I need to see this. Hold on. Let me see, how minimal can I keep it? Nope. Just for fun, I kind of want to see. Guys, shout out Top 1 Futures. We do have those giveaways, so let's try to hit it at 30 likes. That's what I said. Yeah, so what's going to happen if I have my chart like this? I already know what's going to happen. But we can, for fun here, for funsies, let's look at yesterday's RTH and today's overnight. And look at this volume profile here. So previous day volume profile, we have a big P-shaped volume distribution with a few little guys down here, a few little nodes. So it's kind of a triple distribution, but it's also mostly like a F or P, or I don't know what you call it. I need to read that book again. But so what we're looking at here is that we're in this huge upper range. And so I kind of like the idea of a break of that range, and we're going to be Gucci for a price action breakout. I like those trades. They've been paying me, and that's like this. So I like that as the breakout, and let's draw these levels. So let's see how long it takes me to get this chart messy. And meanwhile, we have a pretty balanced distribution here, so I could look for longs as well from the lows, shorts from the highs, and breakouts. So pretty much just trading these levels if I'm trading this range. Yeah, see, big difference here. And if I zoom out, like how I had that other chart, I mean, it does look clean. I'm not gonna lie. It does look pretty clean. I like the shorts. I like the shorts below. It's pretty much the same level that's on my other chart, right? Yeah, for range 2. Okay, so I like that. Range 2 breakout short. So I found the same trade. At the end of the day, I literally found the exact same trades by having the clean chart. Like, who cares about VWAP or any of this stuff? I can see it all in the price action, right? We're making a lower high. So maybe chat's right about the charts, right? We're making a lower high on the higher time frames. We can go from the daily as well and delete some of this old trade idea there. And yeah, look at this daily downtrend and look at the 4-hour downtrend. Yeah, so 1 hour, we can see that we're more so stuck in this range right now in the 1 hour where we bounced before. 30-minute, 15-minute. We got Dandy in the house. Come on stream. So Dizel, it is a bank holiday today. So I'm not expecting much from the markets. They close early and it's a bank holiday. Can you guys hear me? Check, check, check. No? Can anyone hear me? Yeah, okay, my mic's on. Yeah. Yeah, you never know about Trump, though. It could definitely move the market. What's up, Sakuna? 40 watching. Guys, we have top 1 futures giveaway at 30 likes. And I actually have 4 giveaways. So we're gonna try to run these giveaways. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay either. I might go to brunch. I might just have a holiday day myself here. I got my taxes submitted yesterday. Feeling good. Feeling like I just accomplished a big task. And let's look at gold too. Same thing on the clean chart. We have Goldie. Goldie, Goldie. Oh, look at that. Clean ranges above and below. Love to see it. So I kind of have 2 ranges here though that I'm interested in. So this is where instead of drawing 2, I'm going to keep it clean machine. And we're going to draw it like that. Clean machine. And you know what though? I'm going to put this box down here as well. I bet that's what we did on the other chart. I don't remember though, but I think we did like that. So I'm liking this range in gold. I mean, like I said, I'm going to trade super aggressively. So I could almost, guys, how aggressive should I trade? I mean, I would maybe even trade this breakout here because I want to be aggressive. It doesn't show the countdown time. How do we show the candle close? Countdown bar to close, yeah. Oh, gold's literally closed. Is that what's happening? You can't trade gold right now? Or is this the old contract? No? Is gold literally not open? That's hilarious. Am I crazy? Yeah. Gold is literally not tradable right now. Well, I had no clue. So we're just going to look at ES. So we did get this 15-minute candle close. I could just take it as a 2-bar reversal and take the short if we break down below. We do have clean range here. So you know what? I'm going to do that. Bang. How aggressive should we be? I'm thinking about being really aggressive here, and I could have my stop above this wick, but instead, you know what? I'm gonna have my stop right here at 66.10. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Where I put it, it's like a little above. It's like 66.10 and a half. And I actually kind of like this trade. So there we go. We're gonna be targeting, I don't know, maybe like right here. There. Low end of the range. I mean, I'm almost interested also. This is more than 1 hour. Wait, what? Why is it only... Okay, here we go. Yeah, it really broke these orders up. Look at that. I don't know why it did that. That's interesting. So let's target like half off aggressively, kind of filling this gap, fair value gap. And then we got a few more we can put down at the bottom of the range. Guys, trading super aggressive. This is a 2-bar reversal on the 15-minute. Like I said, we swept the high of this range, so I'm just being aggro. I could have had my stop loss a little bit looser too, but I'm taking it more as an aggressive trade. And because of that, you know what? I'm going to actually take some more off early. if we do get a push down here, let's do it like half off right here. I'm risking my original risk, which was $100, plus what I already made on the last trade, which was $80. And guys, don't forget, I'm being super degen today, so please don't feel FOMO because I'm taking a bunch of trades. Please, please, please. We're making a bit of a top wick right here. Luna, I'm using deep charts for order flow trading, and I want to shift to other platforms between Atos, Sierra charts. Which one do you think is better? Also, and worth it. Also have better order flow tools. So for one, I'm gonna have to say I'm biased as an affiliate for Atos. But so my coach that I have now, he uses Atos, and here I'll actually show you my Atos, or as they say, Atos. Yeah, what up? We got Brick in the house. Brick, people wanted to hear your sweet, sweet voice, is what the chat was saying earlier. Of course, that's what the ladies were saying. So here's part of my Atos chart, but you can't even see the rest of it. I have it broken off. So I use this. I have my 5 minute right here. Let's make it look a little better. 5 minute confluences. We're above these EMAs right now. And then this is a daily chart here. And daily chart. And then 15-minute charts or 30 minutes. Actually, a lot of times I have these on the 30-minute too. And then I don't know why my tape's not working, or it's just slow. And then I also have a footprint chart that I use that you can't see, but we can try to add it. Oh, what just happened? Here we go. So here's the footprint. Yeah, really thin market right now. So yeah, I'm using Atos, and I just actually rebought my subscription recently. So I invested like I bought it for like a year or something. So I spent a lot of money on it. But yeah, Atos is cool. You can do, I mean, you can do so much stuff that I'm not doing. But as you guys know, when you zoom in, you get footprint charts. And I'm using my coach's settings, some of his settings at least. But so I haven't even really gotten in and made my own stuff yet. But you can do a lot of stuff with Atos. But one of my favorite things is that the volume profile levels are way more accurate, right? They're actually the real volume profile levels. So, and I need to adjust my weekly volume profile too. All right, it's 31 hits, 31 likes. I mean, let's run a giveaway. Yeah, Miss K is the ladies. So we got 4 giveaways to do too. Oh, I didn't even realize I'm still showing this a toss chart. For order flow trading, I'm mostly looking at the footprint. So like looking for trapped sellers or buyers, imbalances, stacked imbalances. But I'm really just learning order flow trading on a deeper level. Like I've tried to do it for many times. I also use Bookmap, right? So, man, I guess my hotkeys need to be reset up here. Let's recalibrate. There we go. So I also use Bookmap, right? Yeah, I don't have my settings right, but I also have Bookmap. Miss K, what? I am into puff puff pass, but number hits is too much. Is that what your cat is typing? You said your cat's typing? How many screens? I have 3 monitors. One is like for streaming and Discord, and then 1 for trading, 2 for trading. Nice, Dandy. No trades for Dandy. Let's go. So guys, like I said, if you're just coming in, I'm taking every setup. I'm trying to dig out some evals just for fun, mostly trading these evals. And I started with $100 risk. I made 80 bucks. And so now I moved up to $180 risk, and that's how I'm going to kind of do it. So I'm going to sink my risk depending on what I've already made on the past trade. Otherwise, I'll size back down if I lose this one. And just for fun, we're just having a little holiday jam here. We're gonna take some trades and be pretty low-key about it. Apparently the new beta version of a toss has a heat map like Bookmap with bubbles. Not tried yet myself, but it looks good from the pictures I've seen. Yeah, and they have a Mac version too, and I mean they're a pretty legit company. Pretty much a next level professional trading platform. Yeah, the order flow, I think it's best to like take classes or something, you know, find a good course. And like right now I have my coach who uses some order flow stuff, so I'm learning a bit from him. But other than that, I bet there's some people out there. Mr. Order Flow, is that his name? There's this one dude who trades like bonds, and I think he might be a good person to follow. I forget his channel right now. Let me see. Yeah, Mr. Order Flow. But I just didn't vibe with, I mean, I didn't want to trade bonds, I guess. I could have maybe tried to stick around, but I was trying to learn a little bit from Mr. Order Flow, but I didn't stick around. It wasn't, for some reason, it didn't click with me. Trats going up, bro. I'm not sure what that means. You're inspired by Fabio Valentini, but he doesn't have that much stuff in his channels. Yeah, I try to keep up with every Fabio video, and there's definitely settings to get those, like, well, you're saying you're trading on deep charts. Someone was saying they're trading on deep charts, but so that's why I always want to try deep charts, which Aqua Futures is offering them right now, and oh, maybe you said a keyword, a word I have blocked. Trendy. Maybe a word that I have blocked. Please answer your questions from... Okay, so I guess I might have missed some of the chat here. Let me see. Do you guys think slow Good Friday? Or we get a Trump candle? Was that your question? Wait. Sakuna. I don't see your other question, Sakuna. Oh, we got stopped right out. Look at that. I heard Sierra charts are better than a toss. What's your thought? I've never used Sierra charts. You have used a toss. Which one is better for order flow? Any suggestions? I'm using deep charts and I want to shift. Well, deep charts comes with your prop firm, right? So I think that's a really good plus with deep charts, so you don't have to spend any more money while you learn and practice. So I'm all for the free things. Like, I'm paying premium dollar bills for Bookmap and for a toss. Like, it's a lot of money every month that I'm paying for that. All right, guys, let's get that giveaway going. So, Joe, we got Lunamod in here. Nice. Okay, I didn't want Lunamod to have to work today, so I wasn't even gonna tell him that I was gonna stream. But guys, we got the giveaway form pinned to the chat. We're gonna run that giveaway. Right to VWAP, look at that. So the original long I had was the play, and it's still playing. Long off those bottoms. And now maybe we'll get another trade up here. So guys, next giveaway I guess will be at like 50 likes or something, but let's run a giveaway right now. So everyone hit up the form. It's pinned to the chat. I don't know if the form's shared with me or not, Joe, but I'm gonna try. Let's see. All right, so let's run this giveaway. Can you pull the form entry for me, Joe? We got 55 viewers on. I guess we're gonna pull. I'm pulling the viewers right now, or Joe is, and then we're gonna run it right to VWAP. Look at that. Luna, playing my favorite song. It reminds me of those days when I just subbed your channel and vibed every day. Great times. We done moved up to the Discord trading floor. Yeah, Dandy moved up to the upper echelon. She used to be DJ Dandy, and now she's upper echelon Dandy. Well, guys, thankfully, if you do enjoy the vibes of the show and the music and everything, we're going to be starting back up the stream next week. So yeah, next week I'm going to start my stream back up is the plan. And try to really lock in. Trade 8 hours a day, 4-hour stream here, 4-hour stream in the morning, done. Like a normal job. Luna form says Apex. Well, it's top 1 futures, guys. I only have top 1 futures today. Alright, here we go. I'm going to run it. Who's now? NWO? Is that really a... No, that's not supposed to be there. It starts with Trendy and it ends with Thyzel. Alright guys, we got a race here. 20 entries. 20 entries, that means 20 minutes, right? No, we're going to do 2 minutes. Set. And... go. So good luck, everyone. I wish you all luck. All right, hold on one second. Let me grab a snack. Yo, we got Lito in the house. Lito, there was a gift for you from other people. It wasn't from me at all. And check your... make sure to check your things. I don't know if you saw the gift, but there was a gift. There was a gift made, and I'm just a middleman. I can't take any credit for it. So there's a gift for you. And I think you know where to check. So guys, we got 4 accounts to give away. Hold on one second. I'll be right back. And I just need a bite of something here, and I don't have any food ready right now, so I'm about to eat a spoonful of peanut butter on stream. And a good hearty dose of microplastics, most likely, in this plastic peanut butter jar that's almost empty. I just need a little something something. Oh, my mic was off. Medi NQ, you are the winner. Could you guys hear the sound effects? I think you could, but let's play them one more time. Can you hear them? I can't tell if my sound effects are coming through. All right, there we go. That's so weird. I can't tell if I have sound effects or not, but whatever. So Medi NQ, you are the first winner. Oh, they are working? Okay. So guys, reminder, I'm just having fun today. It's a holiday weekend, and I'm just going to trade very aggressively in an eval and low size. So just for fun, I'm not really trying to put on risk today, but I wanted to do the holiday stream because, you know, it's always jumping off. The stogies are jumping. And look, we're closing right back in this range. So I got blasted on my short idea, and now we're closing right back down. So I might actually take the short again. Guys, 50 likes, we're gonna run another giveaway. And so maybe we can maybe I can drop another form. I don't want Joe to have to do it today though. Let me see if I can get in here. I'm so not prepared to do the giveaway forms. So I don't even remember how to do this. There we go. There we go. I figured it out. Did you find your gift, Lito? I want to say again, I had nothing to do with that. You can, if you want, Lito, text me or on Discord or something, and I'll tell you. Ayo, Miss K says, I have a gift for you, Lito Bombs. I bet it makes you blush. Do I like streaming here better than PFM? No, PFM I get more viewers. So, like, I try to keep doing my stream after doing the PFM, and I go from having like 300 live viewers to having like 2. I have 59 right now, but it's because it's a holiday. So I don't like streaming to 2 viewers, really, to be honest. I used to have a lot more, but I would be consistent, and so I'm gonna try to build it back up, and we're gonna pick an hour. I think I'm gonna do like maybe 9. Maybe I'll do 9 to 12 or 9 to 1 or something like that. I'm going to try to do another 4 hours. So I'm going to try to do 4 hours in the morning with prop for match and then 4 hours on my channel. And just to keep it all growing and moving. And because I want to be trading anyways. And I trade better on stream, guys. What's up? We got Harshit in the house. Adam. We got Futures Trader. What's up, guys? Everyone's here. Yeah, today it is for fun trading, guys. Today I'm in an eval just having fun. We're just we got Trendy here. Yeah, it's just for fun today. It's not like, I mean, I'm happy to, if anyone wants to know anything too, like if you, and ask me questions or whatever. Otherwise, I'm just totally chilling here. I got some coffee. Sadly, the peanut butter only had 1 spoon in it. So I might need to go find some more peanut butter or something. But yeah, also we have these giveaways. So really, I'm just on stream to do these giveaway accounts. All right, so Adam went the other way. He followed PFM because of me. Nice. Let's go, Adam. So we're just in this range here. We're pretty balanced. We're right at this volume. Not really looking for too much, to be honest. But yeah, we got giveaways though. So the first one went to MNQ. So MNQ, how would you, I guess I have your email address, so I'm just going to go ahead and send it out to Top 1 Futures. And then, oh yeah, let's do the second giveaway. I forgot. So I don't really want to use the same form, but I guess we can. All right, guys, I'm just going to use the same form if that's easier for Joe. Nice. Isel says, I'm a regular viewer since 2 to 3 weeks back. Let's go. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what I'm going to do for trading here. I mean, let's go to like the 2-second chart maybe and trade that. Does that sound fun? Should we trade the 1 minute? And look at this, right back down. I might still take this short again. I got blown out of my short here, but I had a nice long. And like I said, I'm going to try to trade really really aggressively. $13 minutes to news. Yeah, should we try to YOLO an account on the news print? All right, let's do that. I have a couple that are almost blown anyways. All right, so I guess we're going to use a new form, but maybe after this form, we really can just use the same form. And we'll just make sure the winner's in the chat. Does that sound good? Oh, so which account do I want to YOLO today? One of these ones that's almost bloated. We'll try 762. Oh, that's a funded account. Is that a funded account? All right, guys, so we'll use the same giveaway form. So let's go ahead and run another one right now. 10 more seconds, and then we're going to pull the entries. Trump raids targeting... Oh, this is from... Yeah, this morning. Trump raids targeting fraud have already started in the LA Trump... Wait, what? Targeting fraud. Raids targeting fraud have already started in LA. JD Vance is now in charge of fraud in the United States. Trump, his focus will be everywhere, but primarily in Democratic states. Huh. That's hilarious. I'm sorry, but that's hilarious. Non-biased, right? Very non-biased on where they're going to check for fraud, but that's okay. That's okay. We are going to have to deal with it here. Guys, you have to add yourselves to the giveaway form. It is pinned to the chat. Lunamod pinned it, and I'll drop it again right here. So there it is. Fill out the form, and we're going to run it, though. We got more. We got giveaways. We got tons of giveaways here. Everyone, giveaways for everyone. Not really. We got 4 giveaways. We already did 1. Right back down. No trade. Yeah, I don't really have a setup here. I'm trying to be aggressive, but I don't really. We almost had a div up here, but I actually could have liked that short from VWAP now that I look at it. I'm trying to be aggressive, but I also kind of want one of my setups. Like, even if I go down to the 1 minute, I don't really care. It's for entertainment right now. So, which I know that means it's pretty much gambling, right? So, it's just for fun. Can't believe you're trading today. I'm not really trading today. I just wanted to get the views and everything. I mean, it's fun. Like, when there's a holiday, the channel always pops off, or the stream does. I don't even have to plan it, and we have 70 viewers, so. The Ripper says, I lost 400 bucks plus 1 funded account last week. Now I have nothing. So very, very, very important to trade from a place of security. And this is something that I learned my lesson on many times in my trading career. Scared money don't make money. Like, I tell people to go get a job, and at the same time, I'm kind of crazy. Like, I never had very many jobs in my life. I've always tried to make it on my own, and so I get it. But I can't. If I had to say something as like a influencer, then I have to say, get a job, support yourself, find stability, because it's not going to help your trading to be unstable financially. The more stable you can be financially, the more success you're going to have in your trading. And I had built my account by not caring. You know, because I got a little lucky, I made like 20K my first year of trading with Bitcoin. Then after that, I used that money to learn how to trade. I almost lost it all the second year. And then the third year, I grew it back up. So then before I knew it, I hit 30K, 75K, 100K, and built up personal accounts that way. Guys, it's all the same form, so you only need to fill it out once. Okay, let's pull these entries. Joe, can you hook me up and pull the entries? Wait, Medi called you what? No. Medi. Miss K, do you want me to ban Medi? Can you have the ban, right? Guys, no one talks crap to Miss K except for me and Joey. What's up, Gabber? No, you only need to fill out the form 1 time. And Brick, I guess. Okay, Brick says him too, so we'll let Brick do whatever he wants also. Got 69 viewers. Nice. So we are going to run this giveaway. And then we got 2 more to go. And let's see if I got a brunch plan or what the deal is. How's the music volume? I'm gonna listen to my own stream here. Alright, let's turn up the music just a little bit. Let's try that out. So we are getting this little rejection here. I didn't actually enter it thing. I was looking for a way to take 1,000,000 trades here, but I guess I'm going slow. And I'm still pulling the giveaway form, so don't worry. NFP in 7 minutes. So are we gonna YOLO this NFP or what? So let's do another giveaway. MNQ won the first one, and oh, there's some duplicates going on here. I could use ChatGPT to do the duplicates real quick, Joe, if that's easier. Yeah, I got it on chat. Alright, ChatGPT did it for me. I hope it's right. And we got the news coming in. I want to YOLO something here. I kind of wanted to do one of the accounts that's down more. What do we got here? I think this one or this one or this one. 762. Okay, I guess we'll just keep it on this one. Alright, news in 6 minutes. Let's run the giveaway real quick. And then we will... Oh, wait, I sound so quiet. Where's my music at? There we go. Okay. So let's run it. All right, we got 51 entries here. This is for another Top 1 Futures 50K elite account. Shout out Top 1 Futures. We'll run it for 1 minuto. Vámonos. All right. Get your Santa ready, guys. I hope you guys trained your Santa. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got the news in 5 minutes, so we got time to run this race. Back up to VWAP. Trump, with a little more time, we can easily open the Hormuz Strait. Take the oil. Easily. Guys, it's easy. Easy peasy. With a little more time, we can easily take the oil and make a fortune. It would be a gusher for the world. President Donald Trump. It would be a gusher. Lido bombs! Say what? Say what? Say what? Say what? Alright guys, we got the news coming in and Trace Minutos. And Lido Bombs is the winner. He said, what the hecky? Miss K and Medi are the biggest giveaway merchants. Hope you guys take payouts. Giveaway merchants. I like that. Oh, Lito, just wait till you see your gift. If you think that was good, check your Cash App. If you think that's good, go check your Cash App right now. Because not only do you get a free account, you get a brand new car. No, but for real, go check your Cash App. And we have... Guys, Lito never got his membership. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen, though. We were trying to get... I said if someone... Okay, if someone gifts Lito a membership, because it's random when you gift a membership. If someone gifts Lito a membership, I said for the longest time that I'd give them a free account, and no one could ever do it. Like, everyone would try to get... Like, there'd be like 20 people in. I remember once G-Man bought like 3 sets of 5 and hit like everyone except for Lito. Yeah, we tried. Yeah, Lito just had Christmas come to him early today. Oh, I'm getting a message. Maybe I'm getting the brunch message. I'm just gonna leave it on this screen because this is really nice, guys. It just makes me feel like it's Christmas time. So news is in 1 minute, and I'm gonna YOLO the heck out of this account. I don't know what that means though. I'm just gonna click buttons. Can I use the hotkeys? Shift B and Shift S. Okay, guys, we're ready. We're hotkeying it. Shift B or Shift S. Oh, here we go. It's going down. All right, we already got the news. Oh! Oh, wait. How do I buy? Buy. Wait. What do I do? Should I be buying or should I be selling, guys? Look at that pump. That's crazy town. But is it going to come right back down? Am I going to blow this account or what? I accidentally pressed sell at first when I was trying to buy. That's annoying, guys. I lost 42 bucks on that. I guess we're just gonna go with the direction. We're gonna YOLO this account. So I would have rather do this with minis though for YOLOing. It's just easier to manage. But let's try. I'm trying to do the hotkeys, but it's not really that easy. All right, let's see. I don't feel any conviction on taking this long right now. So I just long with the direction of the pump. And I'm probably just gonna get blown out for it. Let's see what I can do. Yeah, yeah, this is the stupidest trade I've ever taken in my life. I might just sell it. Yeah, see that account. Well, F around and find out. So, TradingView hotkeys, I'm not a fan of them at all. I went down, I did it on the account that was almost blown, so I only had 400 bucks on it, and yep, there we go. But we're retesting the range high. This is actually where it'd been better to long from. Yeah, I wasn't prepared to trade that news candle there at all, but it's okay. So I do have a few evals though that are almost blown, so I was just gonna try to cycle through them. But yeah, that was so stupid. I hope we had fun, guys. And now let's see what we do. I'm gonna look at this other account that's almost blown. So yeah, I have a few old ones. Let's get into this Tradeify, and we'll try to YOLO this Tradeify account next. Yeah, that was the stupidest trade I've ever taken in my life. Maybe we should just run the other giveaway. We already got 50 likes. What should we do for the next like count? Let's do like 70 likes and we'll run another giveaway. I'm so disappointed in that trade. It wasn't even satisfying. It was like I didn't even feel anything from it. It was just like, well, I'm pressing these buttons, and I actually pressed the wrong button first. So let's connect. It's not for Lito. Don't thank me. I think I put it in the notes what it was from, but it was a donation made. I think yeah, I don't even want to talk about it here really, but I think it had to do with like getting a computer or something from before. So people were trying to make it happen and they made it happen, not me. I'm just the middleman. Guys, that trade sucked. That was so unsatisfying. The funniest thing is I accidentally shorted it in the beginning when I was trying to long, and that trade would have been the winner if I had been in minis. So yeah, YOLOing in an account like that, I prefer to do it in minis. And so we got another account here we can YOLO. This one's also very close to being blown, so I have no clue actually how much room it has or anything. So yeah, I don't really know now though. Let's see the other chart. Yeah, look at this. We stayed in the range. Yeah. So actually, like shorting it, I didn't even have time, but I could have shorted it when we broke back down into the range, depending on what the price action was showing. But yeah, this range sucks. So maybe though, I will just look for a divergence on the 5-minute or something, and we'll just trade the divs. Like right now, we're getting a big div. Lido, everyone, it's also because I think everyone misses you in the Discord. So everyone's always talking about it. When's Lido coming back? I'm like, I don't know. He's got free credits. What's your code for Lucid? Luna. Yes, my code for Lucid is code Luna. Thanks for asking, Fizzlid. 27 minutes until market close. So we gotta YOLO this account, guys. What are we gonna do? Should we do a chat trade? Do we just go short now that's selling? Yeah, I don't really got anything here. That was pretty crazy rejection though. Yeah, it is Capital Preservation Friday. What's up, Dude Monkey in the house? We do a little eval YOLOing on a holiday stream, and so far, not worth it. Alright, so we got a divergence closing here. So I can short this on my Tradeify 813. This account is also almost blown. And there we go. I'm just going to use the hotkeys. Oh, nope, I'm not logged in anymore. Dang, where is it? Right here. Oh man, I just missed it, didn't I? Yep, I missed it. Dang it. I missed it. And there it goes. So I actually got a setup on that one on the 15-minute. And I wasn't able to take it. Or was it on the 5-minute? Yeah, it was on the 5-minute. So I just missed that. Yeah, so I sacrificed my good trade for a bad trade by trying to YOLO the news candle. And meanwhile, it set up a nice short right under it. And now I can't take that. I just missed it. So that's lame. But it's all good, guys. We got more giveaways. Let's just do giveaways and have some fun. And I'm waiting for a little brunch text here. And then I'm going to take off. Yeah, you'd be doing stupid things. That's why I'm trying to do stupid things on purpose. It's not even fun. I like just trading well better than doing bad trading. But like I said, I am willing to keep taking some YOLO trades here on these accounts that are almost blown. So let me cycle through and see what we got. This one, I think this one's alive. 558. 558. Or not. Tradeify 558. Boom. Okay. We're gonna try this one. There it is. So like I said, I'm gonna try to take every trade on this account. This account's already almost blown. It might even be blown for all I know. I'm just doing all the ones that have low balance. And we'll see how this sets up. Yeah, that short was gold, was great. That's annoying. Yeah, market is closed today, guys. So, well, we have the U.S. market is actually technically open for a little bit. It's an early close, but the Asia and London markets were closed. Wait, does that mean gold's gonna open back up? Nope. Guys, that short. I blew my trade. I blew it on this stupid Newswick. That's so crazy. Dang it. Well, nothing for me to do now. Let's see what happens. Gold no open till Sunday night. Okay, thank you. So how are we doing on the likes? What should we run our next giveaway at? It might be hard to get more. Got to love more likes and viewers. Yeah, let's go. Let's check. Guys, we got 73 likes. I mean, shoot, it's hard to ask for more. We have 65 viewers. I think I scared them off trying to YOLO that newsprint. So, yeah, I don't know how do we do this giveaway, guys? Should we comment on a video or a short or something? Okay, so maybe one of my shorts, we can do a little comment on the short. I don't know. Alright, so we moved all the way down to the bottom of the range. I might try to send this account here. Same thing, starting small size, $100, and try to build it back up. No, it's not gonna set up. Man, I can't believe I missed that short though. So that short was an RSI divergence, nice topping pattern here, this like curved top on the RSI. And we had a divergence between the news candle and this previous high that touched VWAP, right? Yeah, I don't know how to do this other giveaway. If I feel like we're not gonna be able to get more likes. So let's just run the giveaway anyways. Let's do another one here, guys, because you guys are awesome. Let's send it. I'm gonna run it in like 5 minutes. Let's see if we get another trade here. We can look at NQ, guys. I'm not taking my trading serious today. Like I said, we're just trading for fun. I didn't even do a top-down analysis on NQ. I know that's stupid to trade for fun, but whatever. It's like going out to brunch or something. It's like Top Golf, guys. It's not real golf. All right, guys, here's what we're gonna do. So, Joe, will you give me, we're gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna do one more, and then we'll save the fourth one maybe for something else here, since I don't think we're gonna get more likes. So we're gonna do an elimination round. What's up, Hermes? Good morning. Welcome in, welcome in. We're gonna do an elimination round. So I don't know why this is probably gonna be boring, but let's try it out. So everyone, make sure you hit the form right now. Make sure you hit the like, make sure you hit the subscribe, and shout out Top 1 Futures giving us these giveaway accounts, and we're gonna run one. So if you'll send me the list, I can separate out I can fix the double entries and make it single entries, and we're gonna do an elimination round. And I feel like we're also kind of in this tighter range here. Are you holding gold right now? Still trendy? All right, we're gonna do it. So guys, this is a last one standing. Last person standing. Last one standing. So if you get picked, it's not good. You want to be the last one on the wheel, okay? So let's hit it. We're gonna run it. So this is not good if you get picked, guys. This is for a free account from Top 1 Futures. 50K Elite Challenge. All right, so Tim Williams, you're out of here. You're out. Okay, do we have a bad sound effect? Nope, we don't. Where's my sound effect? There we go. Oh, there we go. I got it now. Can you hear that? You guys can hear that? I can't tell if it's actually playing. Man, why can't I? The sound effects are being weird for me today. Oh yeah, you hear it a bunch of times. All right, guys, let's. This is a full elimination. Last player standing. Wheel of Death. This is why it's called the Wheel of Death, right here. Mac, you're out. All right, this is gonna take a while. Harshit, you're out of here. Last player standing. Brick. The only time the Wheel of Death picks you, it's to kick you out. You're done. You're so done. James, you're out of here. Manu, just you're done. You're done. And Rosanna, I'm sorry to say it, but you're done for. Man, if only it would spin a little bit quicker, but I guess beggars can't be choosers or something. Max, you're done for. Okay, you're done. Business, yeah, Business Lens. I'm sorry. Oh, wait. Yep, Business Lens. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna be quiet on that one. I feel bad. This is like the giveaway of losers. Steph Fielding. All right, guys, let's get this over with here. This is gonna take way too long. Crockers. Crockers, you're out. You get nothing. Ches or Big Frank? Ah, Ches, I'm sorry. You're done. You're done. Yeah, this takes way too long though, Doji. Crocodile Hunter. I'm sorry, but you're done. Mr. Ben Jabone. Alright, I'm sorry, you're out of here. I almost thought it said Jabroni. But I don't think we got any Jabronis in the chat here. There shouldn't be an extra entry. Yep, I did remove the extra entries. Coach, you're done for. Just, you're done. The market will close before this is done. Jose Carlos, I'm sorry to say it, but you gotta go. There's no way to like do it quicker, I don't think. but the market's not doing anything. I'm watching the market here. Pino, you're out of here. I'm sorry to say it. Can you play the fan sound when you land on me? I mean, hopefully I don't land on you till the end, but Mr. Kelvin, oops, wrong sound. You're out of here, Kelvin. I'm sorry, doctor. But you gotta go. Doob Monkey, I hate to see you go, but you got to. Oh, Doc did get in twice somehow. Comte de Surges, I'm sorry to say it, but you're out of here. You're out of here, buddy. Yo, we got session flow in the chat, my man. I haven't been seeing you in the PFM stream. Dojapedia, I'm sorry to say it, but you're out. You're out. Kensho Method, I'm sorry, but you also have to go. Okay, now, guys. Okay, wait. How many accounts do we have? Gabber, I'm sorry, you're done. So here, I want to give everyone a chance to win this, even if you got out. So you get your first entry is the only one that counts. Tell me, who do you guys think is going to win? Take your bets. Place your bets right now. Who do you think is going to win? So you can hedge yourself though. Don't bet on yourself because, I mean, unless you really want to gamble. But so you can win an account by picking the winner, but you only get one, whatever your first choice is. If you put 2 in, I'm going to actually just probably not give it to you. So put only one guess. Tell me, who do you think is going to win? And if you get it right, you get an account and the winner gets an account. So we're doing 2 giveaways here, all from Top 1 Futures. And we're just having fun here with the market. I missed my short and now I'm sad. I'm not even going to trade this anymore. I already blew one account. So wait, where did it go? Here we go. All right, guys, everyone put your answers in now. If you put your answers in too late, I'm not going to count it because you're going to have an easier time. All right, guys. So the last one standing gets an account and the person who picks the winner gets an account. So please, everyone put in an option here. I'm going to give you guys, all right, Alex, you're out. I'm sorry, bro, but you're done. All right, guys, last chance to enter right now your guess. Okay, put your guess in, and if 2 people guess it, we're gonna have to do like a elimination round or whatever, double, triple elimination round. Okay, so here we go. Everyone have a chance to answer. All right, we're gonna cut it off though. All right, that's it. All right, that's it. I think that's gonna cut us up. We're gonna end it there. All right, guys, Business Lens is the last one who guessed. Okay, whatever, Pino, we'll stop on Pino. Niche, you're done for. I'm sorry to say it, but you're out. Okay, Trendy. If you're in twice, I don't know how. I don't see you in here twice. Oh yeah, there you go. That was an accident. There you go. I forget who was the other winner. Oh, we had Lido and we had Lido and Medi and Q. All right, Patrick, you're out of here. All right, Straw, you count. Straw what? Joyman? You're the last one to guess, okay? Futures Trader 420, I'm sorry, but you're done for. Big Frank, you're out of here. We're losing viewers. This is taking too long. So, but if you guess the ending, you win an account. If you get picked at the end, you also win an account. So we got a lot of accounts coming. Dale, I'm sorry, you're out. Can I make this wheel like shorter? No. Nope. I think I'd have to pay. Johnny, you're done for. I'm sorry. We're down to 25 contestants. We might be getting a possible trade here, but I just don't even care to trade anymore. Medi already won anyways, so you're removed. What's up, Sir Lunch-A-Lot? Sir Lunch-A-Lot, if you want to get in on this, pick who do you think is going to get picked last, and you get a chance to win an account. Okay, I'm going to give Sir Lunch-A-Lot a choice to pick. It's easier for him than everyone else because there's less viewers. So whoever is the last one standing gets in a free account, and whoever guesses who the last one standing is get a free account. And they're from Top 1 Futures. Alright, so Sir Lunch-A-Lot, I'm going to give you a chance to pick. Alright, I don't have time, so I'm just going to keep going. There we go, Adam. Alright, he picked Adam. Oh, Dandy, I'm sorry to say it, but it looks like it's going to be you. Yeah, you're out of here, Dandy. I'm not going to play the sound, though, for you. That's just rude. Lido is out, and he already won anyways. So actually, no fa. That's a money. Wait, what? My sound effects are weird. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Mala Keisha, I'm sorry, you're out of here. Oh, there we go. That's for Lido. He already won. There we go. Delayed sound effects. And Doc is out of here. I'm sorry, buddy, but you gotta go. And Danny Sabas, I'm sorry, you're out of here too. We might be getting a little breakout down here. Maybe we send it. Miss K, you're done for. Alright guys, we're getting to the end. What's up, Sam the Trader in the house? Mr. Brown, you're out of here. Oh, I'm sorry, Mala Keishan. My sound effects are kind of weird. Sometimes I'm like hitting them and they're not working. Kuji, I'm sorry, but you're out of here. I'm gonna. Here's a fa for you, Mala Keisha. I've taken profit. I'm glad you took profit because you don't get another chance. You're out. Tariffs. You're out of here. Okay, we're getting down. Adam Daz, I'm sorry. I saw some people guess Adam, but you're out. Hermes, you're out of here. We're bouncing at the bottom of that range. I almost just wanted to buy the bottom, sell the top, but I don't even care to trade anymore. After that news candle, that was just so disappointing. Sukuna, you're out of here. I'm sorry. I sounded kind of excited for a second, but then I remembered that this is a losing wheel. This is the true wheel of death. Straw what? Joyman, I'm sorry to say it, but you're out of here. Ramadali, I'm sorry, you're out. You gotta go. I tried to YOLO the news candle. I have like 3 evals that were almost blown, Sir Lunch-A-Lot, and I tried to YOLO it, and it just didn't even work. My first entry, I tried to use the hotkeys, and I put in the wrong button, and I don't know. It was just so stupid, uneventful, and sad. So Doobie Doo, I'm sorry, but you gotta go. You're out. So it's coming down to the last contestants. We got Dicel, UCAN, The Ripper, Mustped, Johnny, Investor Z, TDL Futures, and UCAN. I'm sorry, but you're out. So it's coming down to the wire here. Dicel, I'm sorry to say it, but you're out of here. Two minutes for this hourly close. Mustped, I'm sorry, Brick, but your horse is out of the race. All right, guys, we got 4 more winners. So anyone guess any of these people? We have Investor Z, TDL Futures, The Ripper, and Johnny GTI. Anyone guess any of these? I don't like this. Tim Williams is saying, I don't like this. Too many losers. Everyone loses. No one wins. Okay, let's see. Did anyone guess any of these? I'm just curious. Anyone in the running? Okay, it's TDL Futures guessed himself. So TDL Futures is in the running for 2 accounts, but I just remembered something. TDL, I'm so sorry. I didn't say this earlier. Top 1 Futures doesn't let me give 2 accounts to the same person. So if TDL wins 2 accounts, he can either pick, or I don't know what to say, free Luna's Lounge or something. I don't know what to say, TDL. I totally messed that up. So maybe that's false advertising. I don't know. I totally messed up. Top 1 Futures only allows 1 account. So I should have told you guys not to pick yourself, which, I mean, game theory would tell you not to pick yourself either. But, all right, guys, last 4. Investor Z, I'm sorry, but you're out of here. All right, 3 more. Anyone pick any of these guys? I'm gonna have to look back through the chat. Johnny, you're out of here. All right, final 2. Are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. This is gonna actually announce the winner here, and it is gonna be The Ripper. Okay, did anyone guess The Ripper? Sakuna did, but it was too late. Wait, Sakuna, wait, when did you guess? Did Sakuna guess 2 people? Because Dandy's comment was supposed to be the last entry for... Yeah, Dandy's comment is the last entry for guessing. So let's see, did anyone guess The Ripper? I'm going to look up here. I don't see anyone guessing The Ripper. Oh, so The Ripper, you won a free account. So we got 1 more account to give away. 1 more account. Man, we got an IB breakout here on NQ. Did we get it on AES? No. We did get... I don't like that. Let's go to the 15. Man, that's a kind of a sketchy breakout here on the 15. Yeah, I'd rather long it. I'm not going to take it. I think that giveaway just burnt all my... that just ruined all my dopamine. The biggest loser win. Yeah, the biggest loser wins, guys. The best loser wins. So that is The Ripper. The Ripper, you won. Is Ripper in chat? You have to claim it. Otherwise, we're going to rerun it. Not all of them, though. Guys, if The Ripper's not here... He's not. That sucks. Okay, so we have to give it to T. Who was the last one before The Ripper? It was T Trades or whatever, right? Let me see. It was... Oh, wait. Yeah, it was T Futures, right? TD Futures. Yeah, TDL. And he bet on himself, which is just crazy. What are the odds of that? And I really can't give him 2 accounts is what I realized. I wish I had told him that ahead of time. But I can give you Luna's Lounge membership. That's where we have the trading floor. I do have a free Discord too, but I kind of haven't been telling people about it just so I don't have to deal with it. But Luna's Lounge, so the what was it? TDL Futures. TDL, we're going to give you Luna's Lounge, and we're going to give you a free Top 1 Futures account, and we got 1 more account to go. So what should we do for this last account? Trump budget seeks to eliminate $4 billion in EV charging funding to states. So last account, what should we do for the last account giveaway? Guys, I'm moving to a new house. It's pretty crazy. I gotta move my whole studio. Okay, so TD. Duck race. What should we do? Duck race or what? I kind of want to say like you gotta comment on one of my videos or something like that. Okay, final. Wait, say what? Guys, Nick Stewart is live right now? No way. Alright guys, let's do a Luna raid to Nick Stewart, and we're going to give away 1 more account. Okay? We're going to do a Luna raid. Make sure you guys please subscribe here. And then I want to see a big Luna raid over to Nicky Stu. I bet he doesn't like being called Nicky. But we're gonna do a Luna raid over to Time to Eat Trading. And I want to see it in the chat though. I want to see that chat pop off. And everyone who does the Luna raid, that's how you're gonna get entered in this giveaway. Okay, so I want to see Luna raid. Put your name in the chat, say Luna raid, and then I'm gonna run the giveaway from there. And I'll give your email to the. That's how we're gonna do it. So let's Luna raid over. And then I'm gonna end the stream. Well, we'll pull the giveaway real quick after I see the Luna raid. Okay, so I'm gonna start pulling the entries. We got Brick, we got Session Flow, we got Kelvin, we got Harshit, we got Kelvin, we got Sand the Trader. Okay. Okay, anyone else gonna go do the Luna raid? So far, we have only a few entries here. We have Brick, Session Flow, Kelvin, Harshit, and Sand the Trader. So I would just want to see you post Luna Raid in Nick Stewart's chat. Let me put the link in. I forgot to put a link in. Here you go, guys. So no, not Luna Raid here. You got to do it on Nick Stewart's. Okay, so there's the link. You have to do it in Nick Stewart's. Okay. So do it in Nick Stewart's. Wait, what the heck is going on with this? Chinese. What the heck's going on with this Japanese, Chinese, whatever that is? Japanese, I think. That's weird. Why is it showing Japanese? So you gotta go to Nick Stewart's live stream, type in Luna right there. I'm watching the chat and entering everyone in the giveaway. All right, nice guys. Look at that Luna raid. That's a beautiful thing. Wow, that's a big Luna raid. Okay, I'm gonna get all the entries. We got Joe. We got Dandy. We got Cameron. We got Comte de Sierges. We got Sakuna. We got Rohan. We got Coach. We got Dugu. We got Futures. Trader 1434. Fizzlid. Tim Williams. Lido. Johnny GT1. Sir Lunchalot. Futures Trader 1434. I think I already got you. Yes, I did. We already got Sakuna. We got Doob Monkey. Miss K. Rosanas. Trades by Neo. Hermes. We got Vegeta. Tim Williams. We got Christian. Vegeta. Max. Ad. All right, guys. Everyone's entered. We're gonna run it. Ches. All right, guys, I'm gonna run the giveaway. All right, we're gonna run the giveaway here, and then we're gonna switch over to that other stream, right? So, guys, we got that MES breakout short. So I'm gonna run the giveaway on this stream. Okay, I'm gonna have to mute the other stream for a second. All right, guys, let's run this giveaway real quick. All right, here we go. We're just gonna run it like this, guys. I did my best to make this list. All right, guys, here we go. We got 30 people in the Luna raid race, and let's hit it up. We're just gonna do we're gonna do 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna watch over at Nick Stewart's stream. All right, you guys ready? We got the Leprechaun race, good to go. And let's hit it. Oh, Mom Bucks, are we missing you? Dang it. Oh, here, let's see what happened. I don't know what happened here. I didn't see you, Mala Sean, but I'm gonna put you in anyways. All right, here we go. We're gonna run it. Did you guys do the Luna raid? Because I went and checked in the Luna raid. All right, that's it, guys. We're closed. Did you guys do the raid? Because I looked through. Yeah, you did it? Okay. Oh, Neo, you're already in. Miss K, you're in. Yeah, Miss K, you're in. Yeah, Coach, you're in. Zysel. Everyone, you should be on the list. Sometimes I shortened your name on here. I miss you. You're here. I miss you. I got you right here. I miss you. Mom Bucks, I got you right here. Coach Sing. I just spelled it weird. Straw Hat. Okay, there. I was trying to figure out what the heck that said. Straw Hat. Oh, I didn't get you, Straw Hat. I'm going to get you in. Noah, I got you in. I'm pretty sure. I thought I did. Oh, hey, no, I didn't. James. I didn't. It was really hard to get everyone, I guess. James, right, cool. Okay, Mac. Alright guys, we gotta run this giveaway though. I gotta go. 100 top of the morning. So 100 top of. I didn't see you in the Luna raid. Guys, I have to end it. Sovereignty. Oh my god, I didn't see you guys in there. Rosanna's, I did see you. Oh my god, this is hard to do. Yeah, Rosanna's, you're in. So Crocodile. Okay guys, we have to end it right now. I can't verify all of them. Kuji. Okay, I want to make sure you guys are all in. Kuji to Big Frank. I didn't see you in the Luna raid either, but I tried my best, guys. It was for the Luna raid. Okay, I got top of the in here. Crockers. Guys, I don't really care. So I'm gonna have to end it here. Okay, guys, we got a lot of names in. I just want to make sure that everyone who did the raid got in. I think I did. I got, okay, Raja. Yeah, I think this is good enough, guys. We're gonna run it here. All right, you guys ready? Let's run it. We're gonna just do 20 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna add Nawab. So guys, you had to have filled out the form and do the raid because I need your email. I need your email. Guys, I don't even care if someone's in here twice, okay? This is a DGen giveaway here. Okay, so make sure you guys fill out the form. And I want it to be done. Alright guys, this is it. We got 50. That's about right. That's about right. Welcome. Okay, I'm gonna add you. Welcome. And make sure you filled out the form so I have your email. Form is pinned. Alright, we got 50 even. That's going to be it, guys. If you didn't get in, you snooze, you lose, I guess. Or whatever. Top of the... You're in. I put you in. Alright, guys, let's go. It's a leprechaun race. That's cutoff is done. Alright, here we go. 20 seconds for the pot of gold. This is for a top one futures 50K. If you didn't get in, this is a DGen race. I did it the best I could, and that's just how it's going to be. Someone might even be in here twice, and you get lucky. All right, guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Oh, I can't even see the names, guys, and only 11 seconds left. Oh, there's one leprechaun who looks like a zombie coming in. Kujita Bagoy. All right, guys, that's it. Kuji, you're the winner. I'm going to send out emails, okay? We're going to do it by email. And Luna Mod knows all the winners. And I'm going to go chill with Nick Stewart. All right. I got to eat, guys. All right. Peace out, everyone. Thanks for hanging today. It was a fun little session. And no good trades, but whatever. Well, I had one good long down here with the initial, with a RSI divergence. But that's going to be it. We're going to head over to Nick Stewart's stream. We can still Luna raid, but no more giveaway. And that's going to be it. Final Luna raid here. Link is in the chat. And that is it, guys. I will see you guys. Love you too. All right. Peace out. Bye.
Survives. Yeah. Wrist lock tight, calculate before the strike. Initial balance draws the line, day turns the night.
See ya.
Starts to hide and go 2-bar reversal, momentum on my side. This is the code of Luna. No rush in the storm, no fear of the rumor. Base hit stack like bricks in a wall. Discipline the weapon, I rise, never fall. No trades, 5 minutes from the open flame. No chasing red folders, that's a losing game. V-Weppy whispers, volume speaks truth. Trail the runner slow, let the market show proof. Tokyo fades, London breaks, New York brings the fire. CVD confirmation, the levels take me higher. Journal in my hand, I don't gamble, I build. Every line in the log is a weapon I wield. This is the code of Luna. Wrist tight, face strong, trust in the future. Divergent speaks and the market obeys. I move with the rhythm, Luna trades. Patience. Discipline.